From wet, frizzy and unstyled hair to salon-style volumized hair in just a few minutes using Agaro Volumizer hair dryer. It's a hot air brush for hair. It's a perfect blow dryer brush. It has features like activated charcoal bristles, 2-speed and 3-heat settings, 360-degree swirl power cord, which makes it easier to use. As you can see, my hairs are wet but not fully. They are approximately 80% wet. Then you have to use the dryer. First, adjusting the heat and speed setting. Drying the hairs in sections. It makes it easier to use and gives more volume and perfectly dried and styled hair. With great features like ionic technology, tourmaline ceramic surface and activated charcoal bristles. Helps in reducing frizz. It has 360-degree airflow vents, perfect for even heat distribution. Now styling the crown section for the perfect bouncy look from the front. And now all done. Look at that salon style volumized head. Product is available on Amazon. You can grab it.